Hey everybody, I'm going to do an update to my video number 305, which I will link up here in the corner. And so we got our BUBM action camera case here. I mentioned in the last video how I thought the strap would be okay, just having a hand strap and not having like a shoulder strap, but it really was annoying not having a shoulder strap, and then this thing actually just started falling off, or the case would just drop, which is no good. I can tell you it does a good job of protecting stuff, because when it has fell, nothing broke. But did need to do something else here, because you can't have it dropping like that. So I went on Amazon and I got a replacement, like a shoulder strap for like a laptop bag or something, and I'll drop a link in the description for this one. And so this works as a shoulder strap, and then I still didn't like not having a hand strap too, though, just if you want to grab it and carry it or grab it out of the car or whatever. So went back on Amazon and found these are like luggage add-on straps, where you can strap multiple bags together when you're traveling. Like, you can strap like a tripod to a backpack, or a smaller suitcase to a larger one. And I'll link these also. They have multiple colors. I just went with pink because it was same day delivery. And the way I've got this rigged up is these are two straps here, and I've got them clicked together. And then took the adjustment ring here. Let's see if I can zoom in. And get focus here. Zoom out. Yeah, I need to hire a better camera person. So anyway, so what I did is I actually just clipped the shoulder strap through the adjustment. I don't know what you call that, this piece here to adjust the other strap with. So let's click through there and then click through the case, and did that on both sides. And that allows me to have a handle that I can, just carry like a handbag, or one I can wear around my shoulder. And that's really the only complaint that I had about this case. I really actually like it. Other than that, it does allow, you saw in the other video, plenty of storage, and I've actually been using it for a month or whatever, settled in. With the top piece up here, I can actually have, an extra bracket that goes on top of my GoPro case, so I can clip a light and a microphone or whatever to it. And I have a longer rail as well. Extra windsock for the microphone, selfie stick with a tripod. All this fits pretty well up here. And then, in the mesh case, keep my cables. Got a lav mic, the GoPro mic adapter, and different cables and whatnot. And, the main compartment, of course, the GoPro itself, and my aluminum case. Other housings for it, adapters and stuff. More adapters, different screws and things, and more mounts, power pack. Microphone actually fits in this case with the dead cat on it, which is really nice. Hand grip for the camera. Carry a light for it. And you see all this stuff does fit in here pretty comfortably. And also, this is the rest of my metal case, and the, just random screws and mounts and whatever, but not really important. And always keep a screwdriver too. And then a little baby tripod as well. But see, though, it all fits in here nicely. Stuff here has to be configured in a certain way. Of course, I'm not normally emptying everything out at once, but and closes up, and then, you know, on down the road I go here. So, said I do still recommend the case, but I do recommend also spending the extra few bucks on setting up some kind of weird strap system like this if you don't care what it looks like, as long as it functions. And that's where I'm at with stuff, more function over form for me. But anyway, so that'll I guess do it for this video. You know, if it helps you, subscribe. If it doesn't help you, subscribe anyway. And we'll talk to everybody later.